my name is Khadija and I am from class 2C and she is my friend.
Hello, my name is Hamna. I am also from class 2C.
The topic of the presentation is the life cycle of a plant. What is the life cycle of a plant? My friend will tell you what is the life cycle.
The process of the plant changing from a seed into a fully grown plant is known as the life cycle of a plant.
There are four main stages of life cycle of a plant.
Seed with roots and shoots.
Plant with leaves.
Plant with a flower.
Let's meet them.
Hello friends, I am C. Today I will tell you about the definition of seed. The life cycle of a plant begins when a seed is produced by an adult plant and starts growing in a ground. The plant needs nutrients and water to grow. Hello friends, now I will tell you about the definition of seed with root and shoot. The right amount of water and nutrients in the earth, the seeds start to grow root and shoots.
Hello, I am plant with leaf. After the plant went through the earth, it gets sunlight and habits to grow. It now grows leaves.
Hello, my name is Flower. Today I am telling you about flower. When a plant is fully grown, it produces a flower where the seeds are produced. The seeds are scattered by wind or some other means and started growing in the earth. The life cycle of plant begins for a new plant.